Hello everyone, in this video we are going to quickly revise gluconeogenesis. So gluconeogenesis is the synthesis of glucose from the non-carbohydrate precursors. So what are the substrate for the gluconeogenesis? So the first substrate is the glucogenic amino acid in which alanine is the major source. Second one is the lactate. Third one is the glycerol part of fat and the fourth one is the propionyl CoA. Now what are the tissue site? So the tissue site are the liver and the kidney. Now what are the subcellular sites? So the subcellular site is the cytosol as well as mitochondria, just like heme synthesis and urea cycle. Now what is the significance of gluconeogenesis? So gluconeogenesis is very important for the regulation of blood glucose after overnight fasting once liver glycogen stores are depleted. Now what are the key enzymes of gluconeogenesis? So the first key enzyme is the pyruvate carboxylase. Second key enzyme is the phosphoenol pyruvate carboxykinase. Third key enzyme is the fructose 1,6 bisphosphatase and the fourth key enzyme is the glucose 6 phosphatase. Remember, all these enzymes catalyzed irreversible step of gluconeogenesis. Now what are the regulation of gluconeogenesis? So insulin will inhibit the gluconeogenesis while glucagon and epinephrine will activate the gluconeogenesis by phosphorylating the enzymes of gluconeogenesis. Remember, gluconeogenesis and glycolysis both are reciprocally regulated. Now what are the allosteric regulator of gluconeogenesis? So acetyl-CoA is the allosteric activator of pyruvate carboxylase enzyme while fructose 2,6-bisphosphate will inhibit the fructose 1,6-bisphosphatase enzyme. So that is all about gluconeogenesis. Thank you.